Okay, good evening, everyone. My name is Trustin Islander. Now, if you're seeing this, it means that you probably want to learn how to upload files on GitHub. Now, the first thing to do is for this repository, you click on batch 5, and then it will open this. And once it does that, what we want to do is we want to create new files. Now, you can upload files or create new files. I'll just use the create new file option because that's easier for me. And it does it now. Forget this showing now. If you notice this is what we have right now. This with just the readme. So what I want to do is I will create a file for my center. Now I used to work in the Lekki center, so I'll put Lekki. Now the moment I put slash, and I'll call this readme.md, and that's my readme file. What the file does is this is a demo file for this repository. As I do that, I will click commit new file. Now, if I go outside, you see that folder here, and then if you go in, you see the README. Now, if I want to add for Python, I will now come here, create, upload new file, and say Python slash hello.py. Now I'm going to just add a very simple command, which will be print, and this is hello world. Now once I do that, and I scroll down, and I click commit new file, you will notice now that my folder structure now has a hierarchy. So you come in, you see Lekki, you come in, you see Python, and then you come in, and then you see hello.py. So this is how you just create a project file on the GitHub repository. I hope this will help you upload your projects on GitHub. Thank you very much.